just be. Don't take it. Take it, just don't be.
Hello love and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ash. If you're new here, I hope you decide to hit that subscribe button down below, honey, and join the family. If you're not new here, thanks for coming back for another video. So today's look, I actually had a friend of mine request a natural makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna hook my girl up. This is something that I would do just on the run, on the go. If I wanted to look cute somewhere and not take a whole bunch of time, then I'm gonna just throw all of this on and then look super freaking cute, okay? Like, I live for this and I've done this so many times. Like, this is such a quick routine. There's a minimal amount of products, at least in my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, so super affordable stuff, super quick and easy. And yeah, so if you guys do want to see how I got this look, yes. If you do want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Okay, beauty. Ooh. What you think? I think this is super freaking cute, you guys. Like, I just live. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe down below for more videos, honey. So, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.